We have a situation with this commercial door here. It's not working happily. It's scraping the threshold rather annoyingly. So, in this video, we'll fix it. Obviously, what's worn out are the hinges. There's one down here, that's a hinge, and then there's one up here. Let's get to work. So this is the lower pivot point in the threshold, other than a little bit of dirt, typical, that accumulates here, and a bunch of rust that wore away from the hinge. This doesn't look too epically bad, but this would be the matching hinge half. Obviously enough metal was lost from here, so the bottom of the door now, this edge, as you can see it from the scraping marks here, is wearing away. So this hinge can be replaced by undoing these two bolts. Same for the top hinge, perfectly healthy. So undo two bolts and they can be replaced, as well as this upper pivot point here. But this is looking perfectly fine. All the weight of the door is down there, so all the wear is down here. So this being Christmas Day here, the best of times, the hardware stores are all closed and we don't have any spare parts. What we do have is a somewhat rusty washer. We clean this lower pivot point. We'll try to put this back together with the old hinge still in place. Yeah, no, that washer is kind of too thick, because the top hinge now is overlapping the other half. Yeah, we just dropped it on the ground again, so it's not working. We have a smaller, thinner, whatever, different washer. Let's see if this makes it work. Yes, this seems to work. Yeah. All right, let's see. Well, it's pivoting so far. Nice. Let's see. Not scraping just yet. Okay, just scraping just a tiny bit. Okay, we're gonna call it close enough for now, until we get proper parts from the hardware store. So this washer was too thick, whatever, too large, and so this is how new parts would obviously look like. One, of course, needs to be a lower hinge, so none of these work, but from here on, and this should be a straightforward fix. And the door can be locked there, so that's good. Nice. Let's go shopping.